How does testosterone impact athletic performance? This question has intrigued athletes, coaches, and scientists alike for years. Let's break it down. Testosterone, often dubbed the king of hormones, plays a crucial role in building muscle, burning fat, and boosting endurance, elements essential for athletes across all sports. But how exactly does it work? To understand this, we need to delve into the science behind testosterone and its multifaceted effects on the body. First off, testosterone increases protein synthesis. This is a fancy way of saying it helps your body build muscle more efficiently. When you train, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Testosterone jumps into action, repairing these fibers, and in doing so, makes them bigger and stronger. This process is vital for athletes looking to gain a competitive edge. But that's not all. Testosterone also plays a significant role in muscle recovery. After an intense workout, your muscles need time to heal and grow. Testosterone speeds up this recovery process, allowing athletes to train harder and more frequently without overtraining. This means quicker recovery times and the ability to push limits during intense training sessions. Next, let's talk about endurance. Testosterone enhances the production of red blood cells, which transport oxygen throughout your body. More red blood cells mean more oxygen, and more oxygen means better endurance. This is particularly beneficial in endurance sports like running or cycling, where oxygen efficiency is critical. Imagine you're a marathon runner or cyclist. The ability to sustain high levels of performance over long periods is crucial. Testosterone helps by ensuring your muscles receive a steady supply of oxygen, delaying fatigue, and enhancing stamina. This can make a difference between finishing strong or hitting the wall. Now let's shift our focus to body composition. Testosterone also plays a role in reducing body fat. It increases basal metabolic rate, which helps you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're not working out. For athletes, maintaining a lean physique is often necessary for optimal performance, and testosterone helps achieve that. A leaner body not only looks good, but also functions more efficiently. Lower body fat percentages can lead to improved speed, agility, and overall athletic performance. This is why many athletes focus on both muscle gain and fat loss in their training regimens. However, it's important to maintain testosterone levels naturally. The use of synthetic testosterone or steroids can lead to severe health risks and is considered illegal in most sports. So focusing on natural ways to boost your testosterone, like proper diet, sleep, and exercise, is the key. Natural methods not only ensure you stay within the rules, but also promote overall health and well-being. Proper nutrition, including foods rich in zinc and vitamin D, can support healthy testosterone levels. Regular exercise, especially resistance training, is also beneficial. And let's not forget the importance of sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for hormone production, including testosterone. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night to keep your levels in check. In conclusion, testosterone is a powerful ally for athletes. It helps build muscle, boost endurance, and maintain a lean body mass. By understanding how it affects your body, you can better harness its power to optimize your athletic performance. Remember, the key is to focus on natural ways to boost and maintain your testosterone levels. With the right approach, you can achieve your athletic goals and maintain peak performance. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more insights into the science of sports. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep pushing your limits.
If you have watched until the end of this video and think you've learned anything new or anything of value, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.